just the way it was yesterday, with Bernosa has the advantage, but number 7 goes up the inside. Can he define it? Can he hold it? Surely no, but he loses. Who is it? Up the inside.
It's Ramadhipa leading them. Ramadhipa, he squirts away. Is he going to win?
Yes, it's going to be Ramadhipa.
Ramadhipa! Yes, what a win! Wowee! That was brilliant. Ramadhipa from Can't Push Him. Where did he come from? Mamalanda in third. So Peña Fernandez and Bernosa thinking about each other. They lost it all.
Fuerte el aplauso para los integrantes del podium en esta carrera 2 de la...
So great to see him able to sing his own national anthem there.
Belting it out.
That's right, and of course, you know, all those different national for him, and he's been concentrating on that, and he's absolutely